Hello guys, today is the 174th day of me doing code forces every day until I reach expert, and let's dig in. There isn't much to talk about. I don't know guys, I feel kinda tired with code forces. Maybe today we should do something different, maybe some lead or maybe some CSES, I don't know, but okay. Do you know what? Let's continue to spam harder problems in code forces. If we want to improve in Codeforces ratings, we must do Codeforces, right? There is no other way. So let's continue. Hmm. I mean, I want to pick a medium 1500 problem, not too difficult. So let's see what we have here. Hmm. Maybe this one, hard version. 10,600 people have solved it. I don't know. It sounds pretty tricky, but maybe it's ooh, oh my gosh. Let's try to read the statement, guys. I mean, 1500 problems are a bit too hard for me right now, but that's a way we have to, that's a reason why we have to practice, right? So let's do it. Okay, the only difference between two versions is that in this version n is smaller than 2 power 5 and the multi does not exceed. Okay, okay. A terminal is a row of n equal segments numbered from 1 to n. A terminal, what the fuck is a terminal? No idea, but okay, whatever. You're given an array A of length n. For all y from 1 to n, there should be a straight wire from some point on segment E of the top terminal to some point on segment A of the bottom terminal. You can select the endpoints of a segment. You can select, okay? For example, the following picture shows two possible wirings if n is 7 and a is whatever this is. N is 7 and a is uh, from some point on segment E of the top terminal to some point on segment AE of the bottom terminal. What is this? 4. 4, right? 2. Oh, okay. So understandable. Okay. A crossing occurs when two wires share a point in common. In the picture above, crossings are circled in red. And what is the maximum number of crossings there can be if you place the wires optimally? What is the maximum number of crossings? So 1 with 7, 2 with maybe 7 with 1, 2 with 6, 6 with 2, 5 with 3, 3 with 5. I mean, that's my understanding, right? I don't think it's true, but let's try to read the example test case and see if we are correct or not. The length of the array and the elements of the array. Okay. Hmm. What the fuck? For each test case, output a single integer. Oh, oh, in one index there are multiple points, right? Okay, so there are multiple points in one. Okay, okay, so there are multiple points in one index, in one element. So understandable. Okay, so 1 2, it's your dead. Okay, of course this will n is pretty big, so we have n log n to solve this problem. I mean, we already lost n because due to the reading input, so and we must iterate over all of n, so it's already n lost. We have only log n left to solve this problem. What can we actually do with this? We have n left. a log n left. So okay, 4. They're double 4, double 7, double 7. Okay, double 4, double 7. My girlfriend just DM me, so let me reply her real fast. Mm. Okay. Whatever. Let's continue. What do we have right here? Okay. 1 4 2 1. I mean, what what exactly can we do here? My approach is that we can first calculate the number of what do you the number of what do you call it? Maybe the number of crossings when we don't care about crossings which has the same endpoint, and then we can add the endpoint here and calculate it. Maybe add it up in our answer. I'm not sure, but let's see. 1 4, right? 2 1, of course. So how about 3 4? 3 4 won't cross 1 4 if we do it in 2 steps. So the first step we don't actually make it cross. Okay, how about 4 6 won't? Okay, 4 6 won't. Okay, 7 7. Okay, 5. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, so I think I can do this problem by myself. Let's see. Let's hope that we can do it easily. Let's pray for pray for me. Let me see. I think it's. I hope that this is like what I am thinking. I hope so, but come on. Okay. Maybe we should also maintain a map here. Nah, actually no. What should we maintain actually? We must do it in ON, right? O log n is also okay, but I want it in ON. How do we calculate all of the crossings? Shit. How do we actually calculate it? I mean, we'll read one here. 1 4, right? So no crossings. But 2 1, you'll see that there's already a 4 here. So plus 1? I'm not sure really. How do we do it that in log n? How do we do that in log n, right? How do we want to do it in log n? We only have log n left to calculate all this. I think the approach is pretty understandable, what's but we have constraints in our complexity, so it's pretty tricky, right? We only have log n. Let me open the fan real quick. It's kind of scorching hot in my room right now. Shit. Log n left to calculate it. We can use a map and use 4 plus plus, and but the problem is we only have log n, and we must solve this problem in log n. So what's the most optimal way? That's not great, man. Let's see. Log n. Shit. How do we actually do it in log n? Is there any way to do it in log n? How can we create a map like this in log n? I'm thinking real fast, man. Okay, so I think the approach is pretty spot on, but the code is kinda I will be struggling with the code quite for a while. I don't know, but we only have log n complexity left, so how can we solve this in log n? 1 4 2 1. I could do it in on easily, but we only have log n left, so how can we do this? 1 4 2 1. Aya. Maybe a set or something? A multi-set? I think a multi-set will be okay. Okay, a multi-set will be okay, right? Let's create a multi-set instead of a map. Multi-set. Okay, I think a multi-set is okay. A multi-set will help us with this problem, yeah. First we must find the lower bound, right? The lower bound of our value, right? From ms.begin. Okay. Auto it will be equal to lower bound of ms.begin and ms.end and the value vy. Not exactly lower bound. Yeah, we need to find the lower bound, right? Actually, we need to find the upper bound. I think the upper bound is more correct. We need to find the upper bound of this value, and if if it is equal to ms.end, then then answer will be equal to 0, else what? Answer will be plus what? Let's use long for safety reasons. Will be plus maybe ms.end minus it. I'm not sure, right? For example, yeah, I think this is pretty correct, right? ms.end let's ask ChatGPT about this error. How do we actually solve this one? Yeah, I think this will be on, right? Why is this wrong? Subtract and enter. It's not ms.end itself. Okay. Distance. Okay, distance is okay. 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 Distance of um, IT and ms.end for sure, man. Okay, it's correct. Hooray. Let's try to count answer here. What do we get? Let's try to debug it a bit. Oh, I forgot something. ms dot insert by. Okay. Okay, I think this is pretty spot on. Let's see if we are correct. 4. Yeah, 4. It's 4, right? I'm correct. Okay, it's 4. I'm correct. Okay, it's 4. I'm correct. And how about if we have 4? Let me use a whiteboard real quick. What if we have 3 4s instead of only 2 4s here? What if that's a case, right? What if that's the case? What if that's the case? 4, right? There are 3 4s here. How can we maximize it? Maybe this, right? And this, and this. How much is this? 3 crossing, right? How about a fourth one? I want to cross all of this. 1 2 3. It's 6. So it's basically 4 minus 3 divided by 2, which should be 6. That is maybe n minus 1 multiplied by n divided by 2, right? So 2 will be an additional 1. Alright, okay. I think it's pretty correct, right? Let's use the map too, right? Let's use a map too. Map of VE++ so that we can do it easily, right? For auto IT of map here. If IT dot second, if there's an IT dot second, answer IT dot second minus 1 multiplied by IT dot second and divided by 2. Yeah, I think that's pretty correct, right? Yeah, I think it's pretty correct. Let's see if we are correct here. 6. Boom, boom, shakalaka. Yes, sir. That's correct, right? How about now? Let's see. 3 and 0. Hooray, guys. I think we got it. I think we got it, right? Let's change it all to long long in case the answer is real huge. We can use long long. That will help, right? Okay, let's submit it. Come on. Don't make me down. Well, it has been 20 minutes since I think about this problem. So I hope that we can get this real fast. Come on. Come on. Don't be wrong, man. Don't be wrong. Oh my gosh. What is this? Why so long? Okay, let's wait for it. Don't be time limit exceeded. Ooh. Shit. Really? What is the complexity? Because I thought the multiset will be log n. Yeah, you find the multiset, right? What's the complexity? Why is this time limit exceeded? Reading the number is 01, right? I thought it's like binary search of a multiset, right? So it must be log n. And this is basically nothing. It's 01, right? Distance is the distance. upper bound log n, distance and on. Distance is on. Oh, I don't. Okay, so our distance is not. We shouldn't use distance, right? Okay, we shouldn't use distance. Is there any way, other way? Hmm. Multi multiset dot end -1 like this minus it. Is this correct? Let me try to debug this. Let me try to debug this. Let me try to debug this. Count ms.end. What is that? I think it's like an iterator, right? But how about ms.end -1? What is that? Ooh, you cannot. Huh? Okay, -1 here. Maybe the value or something. This. No. Okay. Long. An integer. Multiset long, right? An integer. What the fuck do you mean, man? No match operator. What if we switch this to integer? Lol. No match for operator, multiset, and ll. Okay, so how can we actually use distance without on? Functions runs in on, right? Fenwick tree, what the fuck? Or segment tree? Oh no, I ain't gonna use a segment tree for this. Okay, I know this one, but I don't like it. It's like an advanced library, and I don't want that. I just want to use basic coding knowledge, not those kind of library. I don't like it. Can you get the distance of ms.end and minus it with another can you get and minus it with ms.end -1 are bidirectional or decrementum, but you cannot perform arithmetic. What the fuck is that? Okay, let me fucking do this. Also, last will be ms.end. Lol. Okay, so answer will be last minus it +1, right? Shit. Are bidirectional, not random access. The fuck, man. Okay, only vector supports that. Okay, so only vector supports this, right? The distance. Okay. Do not support direct subtraction. Multiset doesn't. support direct subtraction. Okay. Okay. Do you know what? We have different what is complexity of ms dot size? Oh, one constant time. Okay, so maybe we can calculate the distance via yeah, you calculate the mm, the fuck is this? Can you let me open Unikey real quick. Okay. The fuck? No, I don't want to use it, man. I don't want to use fucking advanced libraries. It's just not my thing. I don't like it. I might think about I have I've done this before. I've used this before, but I don't like it. I don't like it. Yeah. Upper bound of fucking what? ms dot begin, ms dot end, and maybe one. Still not. What the fuck, guys? Distance. I ain't gonna use distance. Do we really need to use advanced library? I don't like advanced libraries, guys. We must do it in log n, right? So let's think about it real quick. Let's think about it. Is there another way? I don't really want to use advanced library. The advanced library. It's kinda too complex, and I would rather use my brain more. Ở đây.
Oh yeah.
Chưa, đâu. Shit. Maybe not multiset. Shit, I don't want to use advanced library. I mean, if I'm down bad, I will still learn it and use it, but not now. Absolutely not now. Well, I will think for a bit more. Let's think. Maybe not multiset. A vector. Actually, a vector could be solvable. Let's try a vector approach, guys. I mean, I'm kind of down bad, but let me think about it real quick. If we can use a vector here. A vector. We can still push the element in log n, right? Upper bound of the vector. Yeah, yeah, let's use fucking vector, guys. Let's use this as calculated. Let's call it calculated. 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 Okay. Is this correct? Okay, so it on calculate and answer will be okay. Else answer will be plus uh, the distance, right? Maybe calculate dot end minus it. All right. I think this is pretty correct. Ooh, calculated. Okay. How do we insert it? How can we insert it with log n? Binary search, right? Pretty common, right? So v dot insert. How do you insert? How do you insert element in a vector random position? Vector dot insert. Vector dot insert. Yeah. Insert. The fuck? I don't need random prop. I don't need a it, right? I want to insert it and byu. What is this? Long. Let's change it all to long. Okay, I think this is pretty correct, right? Yeah, I hope so. Is this correct? Is this correct? Is this correct? Shit, it's not. It's not correct. Dot end minus it. Lol. Oh shit. What's actually wrong here? What's actually wrong here? What's actually wrong? I need you to debug it for me. Into the vector v instead of vector calc. Oh shit. my bad guys, my bad. Super stupid. Okay, argument, but yeah, here we are. Okay, 3-0. How much is that? 6. Okay, I think this will be n log n, so we still did it mostly by ourselves. ChatGPT is only for debugging, right? It's still my idea, right? So let's see if we can get through. Shit, guys. Oh my gosh. Why though? I don't know why, but why though? What's the complexity? What's the complexity? Because why? Is dot made for the for loop? Okay, especially the upper bound and insert on the calculator vector. Okay, where t is a loop over n, right? On, right? Okay. Upper bound, really? It's a binary search, so log n, right? Also on. Really? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I don't think upper bound is on. Upper bound is binary search, so it must be log n. Okay. I'm not sure why this is even time limit exceeded, because uh, it's still correct, right? Yeah, it's sorted. So what's the problem here? It's definitely sorted. I thought insert was 01. Really? Hashtag? What the fuck is a hashtag? No idea. Unordered path. How about log m? Okay, shit, guys. I think that I should be using the advanced library. I don't like it, but maybe we could learn something with that advanced library, right? I mean, I don't like to use advanced libraries, but we are kinda down bad, and maybe we should use the library. Okay, let's use a fucking library, guys. Shit. Oh my gosh. And this line too. Lol. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's copy this down. Oh my gosh. Where's my first fucking code? Here it is, right? Let's copy this one. Let's learn about this advanced library. I don't actually like it, but there's actually no fucking other way. Ordered ordered set, right? Order of key. What is order of key? Ordered ordered set, right? What is order of key? Speed insert, okay. It will be ms.size minus ms order of key. Okay, upper bound, right? Upper bound ms.size minus order. I don't know how to use this, but order of key of IT. Oh, how can you use? Can we use BBDS? Okay, let's learn about this thing, including basics. Okay, let's see what we can do with this. What is order of key? What is order of key? I've used this a long time before, but oh, okay. That are strictly less than the value x. Strictly less than the value s. right? So what's wrong here? IT. What's wrong? Okay, so we need to find a baker, right? +1 really? MS dot insert VE, okay. Let's think about this one. Maybe long temporary will be what? MS dot size minus that shit. Y +1. Strictly greater. Oh, strictly greater. Okay. Strictly greater than VE. Okay, now I understand it. Okay, so that's the reason why we must +1, right? Order of key. Okay, I have used this a lot sometime before, but it's kind of complex and it's not using the traditional library, right? So I didn't really like it, but maybe we shouldn't be a boomer and try to make use of new libraries. I mean, it's not that new, but I just don't like complex libraries. Shit. Maybe this will help. I don't know. I don't even know if Codeforces support this type of library. It's only 5, so it's kind of not correct, right? Count answer here. We need a 4 here. We need a fucking 4 here. 3, not correct. 3. 3. 3. 0 0, okay. 1 1, okay, that's correct. 2 0, that's also correct. 3 0. 3 0, that's also correct. Okay. 4 0, really? 5 0, okay. 6 6 2 is pretty correct, right? 2, right? What is this 3? What is the last 3? I don't know. 3, it's 6. 5th. How is this only 2? Numbers stricter than it. It must be 3, right? 6 7. There's 2 fucking 7s here. MS dot insert. Oh. Ordered multiset. Oh, okay. So there are multiple data structures to support us, right? Huh? Ordered multiset. Really? Was not declared in the scope. Really? Really? Why? Ordered multiset is not supported? Really? Is this correct? Because I don't know why. Okay, let's see the setup, guys. Go new BBDS, okay? Using long. I know sometimes I use ChatGPT a lot, but it's just for training purposes, right? Less RB3, 3 order statistic node update order. Oh, okay. So we must use this too. Okay. Nah. Okay, I think this is pretty correct. Okay, so from now on I might really need to implement this library into my daily coding. Okay, 305. Still fucking 5. Still fucking 5. Let me see what there is in this multiset. Count IT. What is there in this multiset? Because 1, 4. Where the fuck is the 6? Where's 6? It's a multiset, right? So why are there so... What? There should have been 2 4s. This is totally incorrect. There are few duplicate. Okay, let's see. ms.size. Why doesn't the multi-set insert the same value in the multi-set? The fuck? I know why. I don't know why actually. Okay, so we are learning a new library. It's not actually learning but revising, but ooh, this is kind of strange. it.second multiplied by it.second. I think most of the logic is correct, but I just don't understand this multisets quite well, right? Let's try to use multiset in a blank sheet of paper and see how does this work, because it's kind of bothering me a bit. ms.insert 4, ms.insert 4 for auto it of ms. Let's count it here. What do we receive here? What do we receive? What? Okay. Wait. The fuck, guys? What is wrong with my... Okay. IT. What's currently wrong here? Let's see. 4. Only 1 4. Why? I thought it was a multi-set. Why are there only 1 4 in my multi-set? Should correctly handle and store incorrect setup or usage. Definition should indeed add multiple instances of 4. Duplicate if the setup is correct header. Ensure it includes the proper... The fuck, guys? What is this? It's basically the same thing, right? A lol. It doesn't. It doesn't. It doesn't, right? Yeah, it doesn't support. Okay, let me ask. Does Codeforces support BBDS? Thanks for the updates. Yes, PBDS seems to work for me. Uh, okay. Okay, so I think that maybe Codeforces support that, but some EDEs don't really support it. Let's see if Codeforce actually support this type of EDE. I'm not sure, but the fuck? 503, right? Wait, what are we printing right now? 5103. I mean, in devc it might not support our code, but let's see if Codeforce actually supports this. Okay, it doesn't support really, right? Okay, it doesn't support PBDS or what? Why am I wrong here? I think the setup is pretty correct. It's a multi-set, right? So, okay, run this test case. Because I don't understand it. Why? Why doesn't Codeforce support it? Test case 1. It will be... What is the answer? Fuck on total count. 14, that's not correct. Total 1, yeah. Total 0 and total... What the fuck, man? That's not correct. But... Maybe it's due to the... Maybe I should use 20 plus or something? I'm not sure. 23, right? I'm not sure, but I want to learn about this multi-set, ordered set shit, but it seems that Codeforces doesn't actually support this type of... It's 6, right? How can you use ordered multi-set C++? Less equal and shit. God's writing strip. Okay, it might be a 3 or something, but... What? Why isn't there an ordered multi-set? Use trip. I don't know what a trip is, but... I mean, I should... I think I should skip this problem for now, guys. I don't know. But... I should definitely save this problem for later. Because I'm stuck with this library. I mean, there should be other ways to do it, but... Currently, it's not possible for me. I think I should go for a walk and think about this later. Yeah. I should revise a bit of my homework at school, and because this whole afternoon I got to go to uni, so I think this is it for today. Thanks you guys for watching, and bye bye.